Inspection of a 2013 DMG Mori Seiki DMC 1035V Ecoline. Gonna come over here, look at the control. It's got a MPG spray off coolant hand. Oh yeah, air off. Table appears to be in really good shape. This is a prototyping shop. We'll show you tool change and table movement and spindle speeds. So this is the X-axis, and this is a machine that has the X, and then the Z is all handled on the spindle. So Z and Y makes this machine much more compact.
It is 4th axis compatible.
Oh, it is 4th axis compatible? Okay, good. It does have a tool probe. And we're going to run the RPMs. We'll bring the spindle forward in the Y so we can see the spindle in the RPMs. And we are about 12-14 inches away. And I'm going to run them up. What's the max RPM on this? 10? 12,000 RPM max. 5,000 RPM. 12,000 RPM. That's 12,000? Can't even hear it. That's great. Okay. Tool change. Turn to a brake. And this runs a Cat 40?
Yep.
Cat 40. There's your Renishaw probe. Okay, one more time if you don't mind. You can just go back, it's fine. Thank you. This has got a thumb drive, chip conveyor, coolant system, oil skimmer, and I'll walk around the far side. We'll go inside and show this machine. We're going to open the cabinet. This set up for 220?
Yeah.
This is set up for 220?
Yeah, the transformers are to bring it down from 460.
Okay. So this is a 223 phase, 60 cycle. That's fine. You said this is set up for?
I had the box